Hi guys, I'm Kasan. Hello, welcome you for my channel and welcome you for my new video. Today I appear before you to introduce about the Brabus 800 S63 Coupe. Okay guys, now let's check out the Brabus 800 S63 Coupe. KGS Super. Brabus 800 S63 Coupe. The Brabus 800 S63 Coupe is the most powerful and elegant super sports car which is upgraded body kit and engine performance of the Mercedes-Benz S63 4MATIC Plus by the Brabus company. The Brabus 800 S63 Coupe is a high performance and the luxurious all-wheel drive coupe which is equipped with an aerodynamic enhancement kit made from naked carbon and 21 or 22-inch high-tech forged wheels. And also the Brabus 800 S63 Coupe is equipped with an exclusive platinum edition high-tech forged wheels which come in a host of different designs, and the front spoiler lip as well as the distinctive air intakes in the front bumper are real eye-catchers. And also the exterior design of this car is equipped with the aerodynamic enhancement concept that combines with the thrilling design and maximum quality and carbon fiber diffuser and the elegant rear spoiler, which give impressive and aggressive look with perfect high performance. And also the interior design of this car gives the sporty and luxurious appearance from the especially soft and breathable classy black handmade Brabus fine leather covering with the carbon fiber elements in checkered flag design and aluminium components such as pedals, door lock pins and paddle shifters on the steering wheel. Okay guys, now let's check out the engine performance of the Brabus 800 S63 Coupe. The Brabus 800 S63 Coupe had been powered by 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine and that makes 800 horsepower at 6700 rpm, and also that makes 1000 Newton meters of torque at 3600 rpm. And also the official combined carbon dioxide emissions of this car is 242 grams per kilometer. And also this car is able to accelerate 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. And also the Brabus 800 S63 Coupe can be driven as top speed 300 kilometers per hour or 186 miles per hour. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and subscribe my channel for more videos and new video coming soon. And also download my KGS Supercars Android application from the Google Play Store.